Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated and welcome back, and thank you so much. Today we are here for the long-awaited blind buy. Okay, I wasn't really good at that. We are here for the blind buy. If you guys have been watching the channel for any amount of time, I did a blind buy, and most of you, if you watched that video, helped me, or if you follow me over on the community tab here on YouTube, you would have voted, and I appreciate each and every one of you for voting. There were 4 different fragrances that I had to choose from. I was letting you guys pick which one you think I should get, so there were 4 different fragrances. Was there 4? I think there was 4. There was Scandal by Night, there was D&G La Patrice, there was Oud Bouquet by Maison Lancome, and then there was Le Labo 33. Remember, I like the name Le Labo. Le Labo, it's kind of sexy. Okay, but we are here for the blind buy. Which one did you buy? You guys, oh my gosh, I want to say a shout out to you. You guys are so good. You really know my taste. You really know my style. I was pleasantly surprised, but I do have a story time on how I received the fragrance. We'll get into that in a bit, but let me share with you the fragrance you chose. If you want to be notified of the posts that I put out on the community tab, you must be subscribed to the channel. So if you have not hit the subscribe button yet and you like the vibe here, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell. It will notify you every single time I place a video or a post on the community tab. Without further ado, you guys, what fragrance do you think you chose? I didn't choose this fragrance. This is your blind buy. We got, ta-da! We have Maison. Somebody told me it's Maison. Mason. No, did they say Maison? No, Maison. Maison Lancome. This is Oud Bouquet. OMG. Girl, where have you been? Hello? I didn't know. Don't come for me. I had no idea. You guys, when I say, and I mean, this is not probably the month, it's June, right? This is definitely not the month to wear it in. You wear fragrance whenever you want, but for her, this is not what I would choose to wear in the month of June. But I had to try just a little bit, just to see how it smelled, just to see how it performed, just to see how it lasts. It is so good. It is every single thing that you guys said and more. And shout out to you for vibing with me and knowing my style and knowing my vibe. This is definitely good, okay? This is definitely a head turner, a compliment getter, an attention grabber. This is good. And I think that my guy can wear this as well. Hello, win-win. It's a win for the whole house. Okay, so here it is. It came like this. Oh, we're gonna get into that later. Let me give you this. If you want to hear my 2.5, it's not a rant. You know, she doesn't really rant. Well, maybe I do. I don't know. But I'm still gonna tell you what happened. Here it is. So this is it. Open it up, you guys. It's been in the box. I haven't even taken it out really. It's just like this. And shout out to who told me. Oh my gosh, I cannot remember your name. I put it in my phone. You know who you are. You contacted me and you told me that Macy's was having a sale, and you said that they were having this fragrance on sale for I think 20 or 25% off. As soon as I read your comment, I went and got my computer out and ordered it because this was a winner. So I just was like, that's it, sold, got it. So this is it, you guys. The juice looks like this. This is amazing. It smells fabulous. Magnetic cap. Give me some time to really play with it. This is really like a first impression. Like I said, I sprayed a tad bit on my arm. It stayed forever. I mean, it smells amazing. There's not much more for me to say. I know it has praline in it. I wrote myself, oh my gosh, that's good. Oh, see, this just makes me want to go out. This just makes me want to get dressed real fancy, you know what I mean? Put on my Dior heels, grab my bag. Where are we going? Are we still trying to go out? We're going out. One day we are going out, guys. I am. Well, she is. I mean, have you been out? Leave it in the comment section below. Have you been out? Some of you were telling me your restaurants are open. I just don't know about that. The restaurant being open, me sitting there with the mask on, all that's going on. I'm just not in the going out mood, but this is putting me in the going out mood. This is good, you guys. It's a warm spicy. Love it. It has saffron, creamy vanilla, praline. It's gourmand. This is like a sophisticated, classy, sexy, elegant, opulent, you know, just that boss, that girl, that man, that guy. And a fragrance. It's amazing. I did see another bottle that was like a, I don't know if this is reformulated, and you guys can leave in the comments down below your thoughts or if you know about this. I did see another bottle that said Oud Bouquet. And then I seen this one, and one said that it was older and the other one was the newer reformulated version that wasn't as heavy or as strong as the original version, and one had less praline or more praline. Okay, that face. So what did she decide? I said, I like the bottle of this one better. I like how this one looked. It's really pretty. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I mean, I'm sure you've seen the bottle before, but I chose this one because I liked how the bottle looked. The other one, I'll post a picture if I can find one. I didn't really, you know, I didn't really vibe with that bottle as much. It was a lot going on, but this was really classy. I like the dark color that I was able to see the juice, and it's good. Now, I did order this from the Macy's. Okay, here is the story time, you guys. I'll be back to do an in-depth, dedicated review for this fragrance. I mean, you know, but thank you so much for, you know, choosing such an amazing fragrance for me. I absolutely, you know, had no idea that I would even like this. I had no idea. And this is a what? This is the Perfume. This is the Perfume. This is 100 ml. It's a 3.4 fluid ounce. Like I said, I got it from the Macy's. My friend on here, shout out to you, girlfriend, who told me they were having the 25% off, ran over to the computer and ordered it. Came in about, I want to say about 4 or 5 days. Here's a ticker though. Did you see ticker? Here's the ticker though. So you guys, this bottle is going back though. I just want you to know. So I'm not going to spray it because I'm sending it back. I did smell it. I sprayed it once. I won't continue to keep spraying it because I'm like, absolutely not. It came in this box. And the box came dented. It came in a, you know, the UPS box or the mailbox box, whatever box. It came in another box, and then this. This box was ripped and torn. This had already been opened. There was no cellophane on it or cellophane. There was no cellophane on it. And so I was asking myself, and the reason why I was able to smell it so strongly is because immediately me pulling it out of the bigger box, without even taking this out of the box, you were able to smell it. And I'm like, you were able to smell it right then and there. And I'm like, what in the world? Like, is it used? Has it been returned? So I said, well, maybe it doesn't come with cellophane on it. You know, maybe it doesn't come secured and cellophaned and packaged well. And I'm thinking, but this is Lancome, you know what I mean? So I go, well, let me Google it and let me go online and see if I can find a couple unboxings. Well, to my surprise, or not really my surprise, I go on to YouTube and I find some woman, hold on a second, this hair is really gonna drive me crazy. So I go on to YouTube and I searched for Oud Bouquet unboxing. I wanted to see someone unbox it. And when they unboxed it, this was cellophane. And it was securely packaged and everything like that. Mine didn't come like that. It came like this, just thrown in the box, closed, and here, to your door. And this, again, is why she doesn't do fragrance in the mail. I can't be bothered. But, you know, I wanted to get it because I wanted to do the whole blind buy. And we're not going anywhere right now. So I'm like, well, let's just do it. So I did it. I did contact Macy's and they did contact me back and they are going to allow me to come in. I have my receipt and they are going to allow me to exchange it. So thank you, Macy's, for that. But I just wasn't, you know, really impressed, nor was I really excited by the way that it was presented. But I will be keeping it. But this particular one is going back to the store. So you guys, thank you so very much for picking such an amazing fragrance. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait, God willing. Okay, I cannot wait, God willing, for it to get cold, maybe December, maybe October, I don't know, January. I just can't wait for it to get cold and for me to douse myself in that. Now, here's what I will say. I can tell by right now, I have only opened the box. I haven't sprayed it. You've seen it. I haven't sprayed anything today, right now. I can smell this fragrance right here. It's like sitting right there. So this will be one, hashtag to all the oversprayers, this will be one that she probably will not overspray. This will definitely choke somebody out and it will not be a pretty sight. This will be like, oh my gosh, what did you do? Bathe in it? You know, it'll be one of those reactions. I'm not here for that reaction. So I'll probably spray very lightly, very modestly. I'll probably only do maybe, don't fib, Cheraye, don't fib. I'll probably only do 3. Okay, maybe 4. No. Okay, 3. Maybe 2. I don't know. Once I spray it and start utilizing it, I will be back. I'm sure it's going to be in my fragrance rotation now. I'm sure it's going to be a fan fave of hers in my collection as soon as we get into the cooler months. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by my video to watch it. You guys, your comments, your support, your likes, it means the world to me. So thank you. If you have not hit the subscribe button yet and you like the vibe, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you enjoy the videos and you never want to miss one, ensure that you hit the bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, stay stay fabulous, but more importantly, stay safe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.